What's going on YouTube? This is BXBomber718 back at you with another video unboxing, and today I'm going to unbox the ASUS Barebones AMD Ultimate 1 Barebones PC kit. Alright, so went ahead and purchased this from Microcenter for $1,999.99. The actual retail price for this is $2,799.99. So, if you've seen in the short that I shared, I had a white ASUS ROG Helios case. Then I also had the B550-A ROG Strix motherboard. I had the 850 watt power supply, and I had the cooler, the LC cooler. However, I tried several times putting everything together, and I've been having some difficulty, and you've probably seen that in the previous video. So I decided that I'm going to get the correlating components in a kit, so that way everything comes out cheaper, etc. Now you see this also comes with an ASUS NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 Ti ROG Strix overclock triple fan 12 GB of GDDR6X PCIe 4.0 graphics card. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this. We're gonna see what's in this heavy box. I had to bring this all the way upstairs to my house. This is extremely heavy. However, with everything in it, I can definitely understand. So stay tuned. Let's go check out this unboxing. All right, so let's go ahead and unbox it. Okay. So we are greeted with the ASUS. You can see right here, the ASUS ROG Strix NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 Ti OC Edition, 12 GB of GDDR6X. I'm gonna put this aside. All right, let's see what else is inside. Some cushion paper. This is the Helios box right here. Save that for last. There is a motherboard case right inside. Right. This is the ASUS ROG Strix X570-E gaming motherboard. Right. Now this is supposed to be already pre-installed. So it looks like they did. This is just the accessories for everything over here. Bracket for the CPU cooler, etc. Right. Last but not least is this Helios case, which is gonna take some work to get out, so just stay tuned. All right, magic. So I got it out the box. Here's the case right here. Right, so I'm gonna go ahead and open up the box and see how they have everything pre-installed. So they're supposed to have the power supply pre-installed. They're supposed to have the motherboard pre-installed, the liquid cooler pre-installed. All right. You know, it has the straps on this, so it should be fairly easy to take out with the straps. Go. All right, so now here's the case. Looks like everything has been pre-installed. So there's a button back here you push that drops out the front panel. And yeah, as you can see, they have the motherboard installed, the 240 millimeter fan installed here. This is the cooler. They actually have it zip tied so it doesn't move around. And there is also a daughter card here that has USB Type-C, two additional USB Type-C ports on the back, which is interesting. I was not expecting that, but that's okay, I guess. And let's see, the power supply is down here at the bottom. Snug right into there. So this makes it easy for me. So just so you guys know what's going on, I have mentioned in previous unboxings that I'm taking my Alienware R10. This is an AMD Ryzen edition, and I'm gutting it out. And I'm taking some core components such as the CPU, the GPU, the RAM, sound card, etc. And I'm installing it into this new PC build. This is an interim update, not an upgrade, until I upgrade next year when the Ryzen 7000 series is released. Okay, so this is going to hold me for another year. I had the Alienware for about a year, a little over a year I had the Alienware, so this is going to hold me for another year. And the main reason why I'm updating is because I needed more space to work internally. Anybody that knows about the Alienware R10, you have no space to work with. It's very cumbersome to get into it. And because of that, there's a limited airflow and thermals are high. So it looks good aesthetically, but practically, nah. And me being a previous PC builder, I just didn't have the time, and that's why I got it. But I realized that that was not the best decision. So I preferred to have something like this. Again, I could build, but I don't have time to do the troubleshooting. Like the issue I was having with the other white Helios case that I had with a different motherboard, CPU cooler, and the same power supply, just in white. So I decided to get this Barebones kit so I could just drop everything in, plug it up, and we'd be good to go. All right. So if you have any questions about this build, feel free to let me know. All right. Thank you for watching. Peace. And see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.